Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. I hope you guys are practicing and keeping up with me, all right? It's very important that you practice your code. If you don't practice and you don't create consistency in your habits, you're not going to be able to be a good developer. So you just got to keep going even when it gets boring sometimes, just to build those habits. That way you can build consistency, and that way you can build mastery, or you can have mastery at the end of the day, or at the end of a couple weeks, or a couple 1,000 hours, right? All right, so let's go ahead and start playing with this. So I'm going to start working on the component number 1 here. So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start importing some things that we're going to need. So the first thing is state. We're going to need state. That's one of my main stuff that we are going to be using. And then we're going to use navigate to redirect, right, from React router DOM. So make sure that you have that package installed, all right? It should be installed because you guys already were doing this stuff with me, right? All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to use a little different syntax here because I want you guys to get used to using a syntax like this. So I'm going to be creating my component, as a matter of fact, with arrow functions, all right? So, you know, you can just go ahead and do const, and here, let's just do this. There we go. Get into the habit of doing this. It's actually a lot better. And let's just go ahead and export this down here so we don't forget. There we go. It just looks cleaner to me, all right? And it looks more modern, right? So let's go do this on top here. Let's do const, and we're gonna do navigate to do this, to bring down the use navigate hook so we can use it. And then let's do some state stuff. Foreign data. And then we'll do the function here, set form data from use state. And we'll set some defaults here. All right, let's make sure it's in an object. So we'll do name, empty, of course, and the email is going to be, of course, empty for now. Okay. Once we have that, we're gonna have a handle change function to handle the changing in the inputs. All right. I'm just gonna leave that empty for now, and we're gonna have a handle. Let's do handle here. Handle nets for handling, you know, the navigation to the net steps, all right? So let's do arrow functions as well here. Perfect. This is the first setup into this component. And then we're gonna work on creating the boilerplate, should I say, for the inputs in the next lecture. Let's keep this lecture short and sweet. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.